What's up everybody, in this video I will show you how to connect Dawn wallet in Xempire. The process is very simple. For that, all you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So here all you have to do is to go and click on the top on the three lines on the top right corner. Here you will see airdrop in the menu. Just click on the airdrop. So once you're here, you will see that the connect wallet option. Just go and click on the connect wallet option, and over here you can see multiple options. So if I have to go and attach my Dawn wallet, all I have to do is to click on my Dawn wallet. So here it will redirect me to the Dawn wallet application, and all I have to do now is to connect it. So here it says connect. Just tap on it. Xempire will able to view wallet address and balance. So just connect. So once you tap on it, the connection will be established between the Xempire and the Dawn wallet. So that is the how you can connect Dawn wallet with Xempire. I hope you find this video helpful. If it does, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.